How prices work, supply and demand. Ever wonder how the price of a product is decided? Why is something expensive sometimes and cheap at other times? Actually, the answer is very simple. Price is determined by supply and demand. Supply is how much of a product is offered in the market. Demand is how much people want to buy that product. Let's explain with a simple example. Imagine a seller at a market is selling apples. The apples look great, but nobody wants to buy them. What does the seller do? He lowers the price, because demand is low but supply is high. Now imagine another day. There are only a few apples, but everyone wants to buy. This time, the seller raises the price, because demand is high but supply is low. So price is set at the point where supply and demand meet. Not too cheap, not too expensive, somewhere in the middle, a balance. Economists call this the equilibrium price. And this balance can change all the time. Weather, seasons, production levels, consumer interest, all of these affect price. Let's look at some examples. Ice cream becomes more expensive in summer because everyone wants it. Watermelon is pricier in winter because there's less production. Clothes go on sale at the end of the season because demand drops. And here's the interesting part. None of this is centrally controlled. The seller wants to make a profit. The buyer wants a good deal. They come together, and the price forms naturally. In short, if supply is high but demand is low, price drops. If demand is high but supply is low, price rises. If both are in balance, price stays steady. That's it. Behind every price tag, there isn't a complex theory, just a simple game of balance. The buyer wants, the seller offers, and the price sets itself.